Hello children, welcome to Narayana Digital Classes where learning never stops. So today I am going to discuss the 9th class assignment number 10 states of matter topic. So in this the first question is, at constant temperature the product of pressure and volume, at constant temperature the product of pressure and volume is constant. The product of pressure and volume is constant. So once revise, what is Boyle's law? At constant temperature the pressure is inversely proportional to its volume. So if you take the cross multiplication, PV is equal to constant. So the product of pressure and volume is constant. So this is Boyle's law. So what is Boyle's law? At constant temperature the product of pressure and volume is constant, or at constant temperature pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So this is Boyle's law. Next, the curve drawn at constant temperature, the curves or the graphs drawn at constant temperature, at constant temperature means what is the law? The pressure versus volume. That means generally so these are isotherms. These are the curve drawn at constant temperature are called isotherms. So which option? First option. Which option? First option. And next, a gas occupies a volume of 250 centimeter cube. Yes, suppose if V1 means V2 and P1 is (745) torr, V2 is and at 25 degrees centigrade. What additional pressure is required to reduce the gas up to volume? How much? 200 centimeter cube. So we want this P2. How much pressure is reduced when volume of 250 centimeter cube is reduced to 200 centimeter cube? So what is Boyle's law? The product of pressure and volume is constant. So when the two gases are given means the relation is P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So what we should find? We should find P2. So P2 is equal to P1 V1 by V2. So substitute all the values here. So what is P1? 745 into V1 is 250 divided by what is V2? 200. What is V2? 200. Then so here simplifying, so we are getting the value is 931.5 torrs. So here what is the question? How much pressure is reduced to gas of volume 200 centimeter cube? How much pressure is reduced? So initial pressure is 745 and P2 is, that means what is the difference? So the difference is 931.5 minus 745 then you will get 186.25 torrs. So this much pressure is this much pressure that means required to reduce the gas from 250 centimeter cube to 200 centimeter cube. So then what is the option? First option is correct. Then what is the option? First option is correct. And next, coming to next question. 2.5 liters of a sample of gas at 27 degrees centigrade and 1 bar pressure compressed to a volume of 500 ml, keeping the temperature is constant. Here temperature is constant. So V1 given is 2.5 liters and pressure P1 given is 1 bar and V2 given is 500 ml. So here liters, here ml means I am converting this ml into liters. So that is 0.5 liters and here we want the increase in pressure is. So we should find P2. We should find P2 how much. So we have the relation P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Substitute the values here. So what is P1? 1 bar into V1 is 2.5 liters is equal to P2 we should find and what is a V2? That is 0.5 liters. So P2 is equal to 2.5 by 0.5. So what is the value you will get? You will get 5 bars. So here the question is increasing pressure is. So here increasing pressure is. So how much it increased? That means P2 minus P1. That means 5 minus 1. You will get 4 bars. So what is the increasing pressure? That means the difference in the final pressure minus initial pressure is 5 bar minus 1 bar. That is 4 bar. So the option is second option. Next we will move to next question. The gaseous system has a volume of 580 centimeter cube at certain pressure. If its pressure is increased by how much? 0.96 atmosphere. Its volume becomes 100 centimeter cube. Determine the initial pressure. So generally what is the formula? P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So I am taking initial pressure P1 as P. Initial pressure P1 as P and what is the value V1 given? So V1 given is 580 centimeter cube. 580 centimeter cube. So what is P2? So P2 how much increased? 0.96 of original. So P plus 0.96 atmosphere. So this is P2. Then V2 how much? 100 centimeter cube. V2 how much? 100 centimeter cube. So substitute here all these values. Substitute here all these values. So P1 is a P, P1 is P and V1 is 580. So that is equal to what is P2? That means a P plus 0.96 and what is V2? V2 given is 100. So now 580 P is equal to 100 P plus 96. 100 P plus 96. So I am substituting, that means I am taking 100 P this, that means 580 P minus 100 P is equal to 96. That means 480 P is equal to 480 P is equal to 96. That means 480 P is equal to 96. That means P is equal to cross multiplication 96 by 480. So 96 by 480. So here you will get 0.2. You will get 0.2. So what are the units? Atmosphere. So what is the initial pressure? That is 0.2. 0.2 atmosphere. So option is second option. Right. So thank you children. Stay home. Stay safe.